we're learning about sublimation, how a gas can change state directly to a solid. We're using liquid nitrogen, and Jaden Carter here has a balloon that's inflated. He's going to lower that balloon into a vat of liquid nitrogen. And let's see what happens. Go ahead, Jaden. And you can use both hands and just kind of press on the top of it. And watch what happens to that balloon. And we know on the Fahrenheit scale that liquid nitrogen is below 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's very, very cold. And we know that the air inside that balloon is probably around room temperature.
It's shrinking so much.
And Jaden says it's shrinking. We're going to keep watching it. We're going to keep watching it. And if you blow on it, you can see it evaporate very quickly with just the heat of my breath.
And that is nitrogen.
Okay, keep holding it there. Keep holding it. You're doing great.
That's nitrogen that we breathe.
Yeah, that's liquid nitrogen inside the vat. And just be patient with it.
I saw this on YouTube video.
Keep holding it in there. And you can put, you can put pressure on it.
I don't want to pop and
What's your
fly off.
fingers?
It won't pop.
What's your fingers, Mr. Ramsey?
Okay, here we go. And you see it's getting quite a bit smaller now. Just be patient. Keep holding it.
It looks like a whoopee cushion.
Looks like a what?
It'll get flatter and flatter.
Oh.
It looks like Jason going back into the water.
Okay, now it's looking...
It's cold. It's
Yeah,
cold.
keep pushing on a little bit. You're doing great.
It's cold.
Okay, now lift it out and just hold it straight up in the air. By the end there. Okay, just hold it straight up. Now watch what happens to the balloon.
It inflates.
Just keep holding it.
Watch
Watch what happens to it. Now Jaden's not blowing on the balloon, but it's inflating all by itself. How does that happen?
I think it's making pressure go out.
How does it inflate all by itself like that?
I think the air pressure is going out. It looks like
You think something about air pressure there?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think the air pressure is expanding.
Okay. All right, we're going to try it again. This time we're going to use a test tube, and we're going to see what's going on inside the balloon while it's in the liquid nitrogen. And I'm here with table 5, and this time we've hooked a test tube to the end of the balloon, so as we lower it in the vat of liquid nitrogen here, the balloon will slowly sublimate from a gas into a solid, and we're making our own dry ice. And the carbon dioxide inside the balloon is going to condense and condense and condense as it sublimates into dry ice. And then we're going to shake it upside down, and you'll be able to see that dry ice in the test tube. And it's getting smaller. And the key with this is to make sure that the neck of the balloon doesn't get kinked as it gets smaller, because then you won't be able to shake it. And you have to kind of hold on to the test tube so it doesn't pop off, because then of course it would just evaporate and you would miss the effect. But this gives you a chance to actually see what's happening inside that balloon as it shrinks. If you're wondering, where's the carbon dioxide going? Yeah, okay, so we're gonna shake it on down now. We're gonna shake it on down and look inside that test tube there, Nori. Can you touch the outside of the test tube? It should be really cold and frosty.
Ooh.
Can you touch the outside of that? It should be really cold.
Ooh.
Yeah, and that's,
Hopefully
yeah, that's dry ice. That's going down inside of there.
that feels good.
Cold, isn't it?
Oh my god, that's so